Alright, so Crf 70F oil change. Just so you know, the proper plug is this one right here. There's another plug over on the other side. Has a spring and a piston with holes in it. This is the plug you want right here. It's 17 millimeter. Go ahead and drain your oil out. And then fill it back up right there till the dipstick's full. Alright, simple oil change on a Honda Crf 70F. Alright, so I just looked up the manual. It takes 0.6 quarts of oil, so just over a half quart. I'm using this Valvoline 4-stroke 10W40 oil. Just over a half quart. We ended up picking up another bike. Well, that's my son's there, and then that's an 06, and then we got one for my girlfriend's son. This one is an 04. It's a little bit more beat up, but it still runs pretty good. These Honda motors are pretty decent. So yeah, we picked up another one so they can ride together, and just changing the oil, changing the air filter. Yep, thanks for watching.